Aptitude Test Series for Nursing Officers, AIIMS, JIPMER, ESI 2019. Welcome to Satu Carry Online Nursing Channel. I am Satish Rajamani. Nursing is my profession, teaching is my passion. In today's video, we are going to discuss aptitude test questions for those who are those who are going to appear in various nursing officers exam in 2019. This video contains problem on number series questions. Totally we have 10 questions. Let's see one by one, and also the solutions how to solve that questions will be explained here. Please watch the video till the end so that you will not get any confusion. Let's go for the first question of the day. If 1/3 of 1/4 of a number is 15, then 3/10 of that number is option A 35, B 36, C 45, and D is 54. So how we are going to present these questions for you? We have 10 questions and we have 3 slides for each question. The first slide will have the question and second slide will have the answer. Now let's see the answer for the first question. The right answer is 54. Now you all may have confusion how we get this 54. For that, to clarify your doubts, we have brought the third slide as solution. So the sum is explained here. I also will try to explain easily in this video. Let's see the question again and let's go for the solution. If 1/3 of 1/4 of a number is 15, then 3/10 of that number is what? So this is the question. Now you can see the particular number we can assume as x. Now 1/3 of 1/4 of that number is 15. So of means multiplication. So now you can see that x is equal to 15 into 12. So how we got this 12? You know that 1 by 3 into 1 by 4, which we get 3 into 4 is 12. So when the 12 goes, that will become that will be coming as the product of this 15. So now x is equal to 15 into 12, which is 180. So the required number we got x is equal to 180. So now you can see the question again. Then 3/10 of that number is what? So that number, you know, x is substitute the 180 here. So 3/10 of 180 is equal to 54. So now you know the answer is 54. Now let's see the next question. A 2-digit number is such that product of that digit is 8. When 18 is added to that number, then the digits are reversed. Then the number is what? Options A 18, B 24, C 42, D 81. Let's see the answer for this question. The right answer will be 24. This is somewhat easy sum for you, but for the freshers and for those who are not good in maths, so you can listen the solution here. The possibility of getting the product of 2-digit number is 8. So what are the possibilities we are having? 1 into 8 gives 8. 2 into 4 gives 8. 4 into 2 gives 8. 8 into 1 gives 8. So these are the 4 possibilities of getting 8 when we multiply that 2-digit numbers. So now if you are going to add 18 to the 2-digit number, means the total is going to be reversed to the actual 2-digit number. So according to the question, you want to add 18 to all the possibility 2-digit numbers. So now 18 plus 18 gives 36, 24 plus 18 gives 42, 42 plus 18 is 60, and 81 plus 18 will be 99. So which number is reversed when you add 18? See here, the 24 when you add 18, that will be 42. 42 is the reverse of 24. So the right answer here is 42. Sorry, 24. 24 is the right answer here. Now we will see the question number 3. the sum of the squares of three numbers is 138, while the sum of their products taken two at a time is 131. Their sum is what? We have the options A 20, B 30, C 40, D 54. Let's see the answer. Answer is 20. Before going to the solution, read the sum again. Question again. The sum of the squares of three numbers. So we have three number. The three number squares and the sum gives 138, while the sum of their products taken two at a time will be 31. So from the three number, when you keep two number and when you multiply that, the product of that two number taken at a time will give 131. Now let's see the sum. Let the numbers be A, B and C. You also can keep X, Y, Z as you wish. Then the sum of squares of the three number a square plus b square plus c square is equal to 138, and when the two numbers are taken together and when we add that, it gives 131. That is two number a b, b c, c a. These are the three possibilities of joining the two numbers in this three. We get 131. Now you can see the formula of a plus b, the a plus b plus c the whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2 into ab plus bc plus ca. So this is the formula. So when we apply according to this formula, then we get 138. So 138, how we got a square plus b square plus c square can be written like this also, a plus b plus c the whole square, which is 138. And now what is the another thing? Now you are going to add with 2. The 2 is here, and a b plus bc plus ca, which is 131. So that we are writing here. When you do the simplification, you will get the 100. Now a plus b plus c, that will be when you remove, when you take all the that square, when it comes this side, that will be square root of 400, which is 20. Now the sum of a plus b plus c is 20. So according to the question, the correct answer is option A, 20. Now we will see the fourth sum. A number is as much greater than 36 as is less than 86. Find the number. Option A 16, B 51, C 64, D 61. Let's see the answer. The right answer is 61. Before going to the solution, I told you to read the question again. A number is as much greater than 36 as is less than 86. So we got a clue that the answer should be between these two numbers. That is, the lowest number is 36 and the highest number is 86. What is that number? We are going to find out. Now let's see the solution. Let the number be x. Then x is less than 36 and it is also less than 86. So we are writing in this way. Then what it is happening, when this x goes that side, it becomes 2x, and when this minus 36 comes to the opposite side, it becomes plus 36. Now 2x is equal to 122. Now what is the x? X is equal to 122, and this 2 comes down as the denominator, it becomes division, 122 upon 2. That gives the answer 61. So you can check the answer. 61 is the right answer. Now we go for the fifth question. The difference of two numbers is 11 and 1/5 of their sum is 9. Find the numbers. Option A 28 and 15, B 28 and 16, C 28 and 17, D 17 and 28. Let's see the answer. 28 and 17 will be the answer for question number 5. going to solution, before read the question again. The difference of two numbers. So we have two number that you can keep assume as x, y or a and b. That will be 11, and 1/5 of their sum is 9. 1/5 of that number is 9. Find the numbers. So now solution, you can see this. Let the number be x and y. We want to find the two numbers. So let the number we can keep x and y. Then the difference between the two number is 11, and 1/5 of that number, that is x and y, will be 9. So now this two equation, how we can write? Now you can see that x plus y is equal to 45. So now this equation we can write like this: x plus y is equal to, this 5 goes in this side and it becomes multiplication. So 9 into 5, 45. So now we have two equation: x minus y is equal to 11, x plus y is equal to 45. Now we are adding both x, then we are getting x minus y is equal to, so now we are going to add both x minus y is equal to 11 and x plus y is equal to 45. What we are getting? So x plus x will be 2x is equal to, so minus y and plus y we will cancel that, and 45 plus 11 will get 56. Now what is the x? X is equal to 56 upon 2, that is 28. Substituting the value of x in the equation x minus y. So now we are going to put, we want to find out y. Hence we are substituting the value of x in this equation. Now 28 minus y is equal to 11. Now what we are doing, we are moving that y in this side, so that the minus y becomes plus, and this 11 we are moving to our left side, that it becomes minus. Y is equal to 28 minus 11, which is 17. Hence the number which we need, the x is 28 and the y is 17. So this is the right answer. Now move on to the next sum. So hope you understand the fifth sum. Sixth sum is, the sum of two numbers is 184. If 1/3 of the one exceeds 1/7 of the other by 8, find the smaller number. Don't get panicked by seeing these numerical words. It's so simple. Some tricks you need to keep in your mind. Option A 70, B 71, C 72 and D 73 are the answers. Let's see the correct answer for this question. So our answer should be 72. Before going to the solution, read the sum again. The sum of two numbers is 184. If 1/3 of the one exceeds 1/7 of the other by 8, find the smaller number. So listen here. Let the numbers be x and 184 minus x. So we have two numbers. Now how we can write this? Then x upon 3. So x upon 3 is nothing but, you can see 1/3 of the one exceeds 1/7 of the other. So this is the meaning which we are getting here. That is, this is going to be less than this number. This is 184 minus x. That will be 1/7. That is the 1/7. So now we have this number. This is 1/3 and this is 1/7. So now the difference we are going to get as, that is 8 is given here. You can see the question, in the question what they have given, 1/3 of one exceeds 1/7 of the other by 8. So note down the 8 is here. Now simplify that. So 7 into x, 7 cross multiply with the x gives 7x. So this 3 is multiplied with 184 minus x, we can write like that. And this 168, how it comes? When this number, the denominator, multiply that, 7 into 3 is 21. When this 21 goes in the opposite side, it becomes the multiplication. So 7x minus 3 into 184 minus x is equal to 168. 168 comes by the multiplication of 8 into 3 into 7, that is 8 into 21 gives 168. Now 7x plus 552, that is 184 into 3 is 552 plus 3x, minus into minus plus, so 3 into x is equal to 168. Now 10x, 7x here, another 3x here, 10x. 10x is equal to 720. So x is equal to 720 upon 10, which gives 72. 72 is the answer which we have seen before. Question number 7. The product of two consecutive numbers is 4032. 4032. Find the numbers. Consecutive number means next number. Product is multiplication. 61 and 62 as option A, 62 and 63 option B, option C will be 63 and 64, and D 64 and 65. Let's go and see the answer now. 63 and 64. So multiply and see, you will get the answer. How we got that, now we will see. Very simple. First, the number which you are having in the question is 4032. When you take square root, the square root of 4032 gives 63. So now we know that see the next consecutive number which when multiplied to this 63 will give 4032. So you multiply with 262. So we are getting 3 into 2, the last digit of 62, 2 of the 63 will be 3, so that gives 6, but here the last number is 2. So when we multiply with 64, 4 into 3, 12. So easily you can write that when 63 is multiplied with 64, we are going to get 4032. So this is the consecutive number as in the question, 63 and 64. You can see the answer. 63 and 64 is the correct one. Now move on to question number 8. Three numbers are in the ratio 3 is to 2 is to 5. The sum of their square is 1862, that is 1862. Find the numbers. 7 is to 14 is to 21, B 14 is to 21 is to 28, C is 9 is to 18 is to 36, and D is 21 is to 14 is to 35. Now let us see the answer here. The answer is 21 is to 14 is to 35 is the answer. We are going to find the numbers. So read the question. Three numbers are in the ratio 3 is to 2 is to 5. The sum of their squares. So you take this x, y, z or a, b, c, the squares. The sum of the squares will give 1862. Let's see the solution. Let the numbers be 3x, 2x and 5x. Why we are saying 3x, 2x, 5x? Because the numbers in the ratio given here is 3 is to 2 is to 5. So the numbers are written like that, 3x, 2x and 5x. Then what is the thing they have asked here? The sum of their square is 1862. So we need to write like that. That is 3x square plus 2x square plus 5x square is equal to 1862. So now 3 into 3 is 9. 9x square plus 2 into 2, 4. 4x square plus 5 into 5, 25. 25x square gives 1862. So now add all these things. 25 plus 4, 29 and 9, 38. 38 x square is 1862. So what is x square? X square is equal to 1862 upon 38, which will be x square is equal to 49. Now find out only x. So x is the square root of 49, which will be 7. Now the consecutive numbers. So in place of x, you substitute the value 7. So we are getting 7 into 3, 21, 2 into 7, 14, 5 into 7, 35. So this is the number which is given in the question. 3x, 2x, 5x. So in place of x, you are substituting the value 7. So we are getting the answer exactly. The 21 is to 40, 14 is to 35. Hope you understood this. Next we come to the ninth question. The sum of 7 consecutive number, natural number. It's not odd or even. It's just a natural number is 1,617, or we can say 1617. How many of these numbers are prime? You know what is prime number, which cannot be divided by anything, undivisible number. So option A 229 and 233, B is 217 and 229, C is 223 and 227, and D is 233 and 221. Let's see the right answer here. 229 and 233 is the correct answer. Let us see the rationale here. Solution here. The solution, let the 7 consecutive numbers, so consecutive means next number. If the first number is x, the second number will be x plus 1. Like that we are writing x plus 2, x plus 3, x plus 4, x plus 5, x plus 6. Don't write up to x plus 7. Then if you write x plus 7, then it will be 8 number. It is only 7 number, so include that x also, then it will be 7 number. Now we can write like this also. Now what is then, how we can write? Now the sum of 7 numbers, 7 consecutive number. So we are adding plus symbol between all these numbers, which is giving 16, 17. Now add all the x. So how many x? 7x you will have, and 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 3, 6, plus 4, 10, 5, 15, and here 6, 21. So 7x plus 21 is equal to 16, 17. Now 7x is equal to what? The 16, 17. When 21 goes that side, it becomes minus 21, which gives 1596. So now what about x? X is equal to 1596 upon 7, which will give 228. Thus the numbers are, so first number we got, that is 28. So you write the next 7 numbers: 229, 230, 231, 232, 233, 234. Now in this, what are the prime numbers we are having? You see that 228, it can be divisible. 230 also it can be divisible. 231 also it can be divisible. So the two numbers which cannot be divided by any number is 229 and 233. These are the prime number. You can check the answer. Option A, 229 and 233. The last question of the day. The average of 4 consecutive number is 27. Find the largest number of this. Option A 26, B 28, C 30, and D 32. Solution, and before that answer you are saying the right answer will be 30. So read the question again. The average of 4 consecutive number. So average of the 4 number will be 27. Find the largest number of this. So let the 4 consecutive even number we can take like this. X even number. So you know even number, every second number is a even number. So if you say that x, then x plus 2 second even number, x plus 4 is a third even number, x plus 6 is the fourth even number. Now the sum of these number, so you are adding all the number, which is giving 108. Now add all the x, that will be 4x. So all the numericals here, 2 plus 4, 6, plus 6 will be 12. So 4x plus 12 is equal to 108. And x is equal to, what about that, when we see the x, finding the x is equal to 96 upon 4, which will be 24. So now apply the x value here. So the x value which what we got is 24. Now the largest number we want to find. So in this consecutive number, the largest number is 6. So apply the value of 24 here. So x plus 6 can be written like 24 plus 6 after substituting the value in the x. So that is 30. So 30 is the largest number in this according to this question. So this is how we want to solve all the aptitude questions. It takes time for you to learn. When you practice again and again, you can solve very easily. Sato Carry Online Nursing channel will be with you and guiding you in solving the aptitude questions very easily in your exams. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to Sato Carry Online Nursing channel if you have not yet subscribed. Meet you again with another 10 aptitude questions from other parts of aptitude area. Thank you. Bye.